What's going on, guys? For you Camry owners out there, we have the 2023 Camry SE. It's a 4-cylinder, I think it's a 2.5 liter motor, about 200 horsepower. Check the specs on that one. What we did today, guys, was a muffler delete. We call it a Muffy D around here. We're just about done with the jobs. We got to cut off these hangers and spray it down. But let's check out what we did. We'll start in the front. Cat right here, we're not touching that. It looks like there's a little resonator that you got to always remove in the future if you want a little bit more noise. I'm not sure about the drone that it will, the drone effect that it'll have in the cabin, but you could always put a vibrant resonator or an ultra quiet resonator, vibrant. We have all these available at GEXHAUST.com. Right here in the back, we custom fabricated these pipes. We had to install this Y pipe, and we put these burnt blue tips right here, quad tips. They actually look really, really good, guys. We have several different options. We have polished chrome, matte black, these burnt blue ones we also have. All of them are available at GEXHAUST.com, in addition to catback systems, intakes, and a huge variety of everything exhaust related. So drop a comment, check out the links in the description. My cameraman, Jay, has fire music. You have to check him out on Spotify, SoundCloud, all that. I'm gonna link his page down below, J7N. So I'm gonna let you guys hear this. Go check out GEXHAUST.com, guys. If you have any questions, you could also DM us on Instagram at GEXHAUST. Let me know what you think.
Thank you.